Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to make WhatsApp GIF or GIF. So let's get straight into the video. It's a very simple and easy step-by-step process. All you need to really do is simply go ahead and open your WhatsApp application. Then you want to simply go ahead and open the chat you want to send a GIF or GIF to. Then all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on the sticker icon on the bottom right over here, and then go to GIF or GIF right over here, and you can simply go ahead and create it by clicking on the plus icon and then selecting the photo and video library. Choose the video you want as GIF, and then you can simply go ahead and send it. Or the other way you can go ahead and do it is going to be by simply sending a live photo from your gallery. So if you have a live photo, you can simply go ahead and send it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.